everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Miss Philly. I want to share with you some amazing things that I got today from Tide Locker. Amazing company, one of my favorite companies that I have worked with to date. They've always sent me amazing things, such high quality, such craftsmanship put into the items. It is just bomb.com all over the board. And this is the third time that I'm working with them, and I love them so much. So if you want to check them out, the details will be listed where they're listed. So let's get right into it. The first item that I got is this sweater. It is so beautiful, guys. Now don't come at me at the comments because this company has had some controversy here and there, but I got this before that happened. And I don't know, I just feel like people who are like throwing their shit, burning their shit, like, I mean, you already paid for it, so why you gonna do that? Or at least donate it to someone homeless that could utilize it. Oh my god, such a weighted sweater, beautiful. Oh, this is heavy as heck. There is the label. This is beautiful, like, look at that. This is an extra large, but I feel like it's an extra large. It could be like extra, it's unisex technically. So I feel like it's an extra large women's, large men's, but it could be like an oversized large for women. Oh my God, look at the ribbing on the neck, the ribbing on the cuff. Where's the inner tag? Oh, look at that craftsmanship. There's no loose threads. There's no freaking welfare looking shit. And look at the tag right there. It says made in Portugal. And the 100%. Oh, it's not wool, it's cotton. Thought it was wool. It feels like wool, but it's probably best to be cotton because it's more breathable, less heavy, but it is pretty heavy. Oh, and it came brand new with tags, obviously. So, but I'll show you what it looks like.
Wait, hang on.
So yeah, the craftsmanship on this is amazing, looks beautiful, feels exquisite, feels high-end, obviously, just so well made. So I'm out of breath because I'm fat.
I'm out of breath too.
But I love the way this can be styled because, like, you know, wear it oversized as a woman, or a guy, you could wear it, but as a woman, because we're women, wear it with like leggings or jeans, torn jeans with heels, put it under a I was gonna say blazer, but it's too loose for a blazer. But there's so many ways to style this, and get over the controversy. You got a good item here, so I love it so much.
I love Balenciaga. Don't cancel Balenciaga. I love that brand.
I love it too, and I don't know. I feel like
if you're not gonna be into, like, I don't know, if people can't like understand edgy things, like, why are you in fashion? Like, I feel like fashion's edgy. It
is. It definitely is. Even like Calvin Klein had a controversy back in the 90s where they would get like models that were wafer thin and they were like in their underwear, because he's an underwear company, and they kind of tried to cancel him with that, but
it's the same thing you could ask all the seniors. Do they still wear knee guard clothing? He's maybe a bad guy, but do they still wear the clothing? Yeah.
Burn all the seniors for wearing knee guard clothing.
They won't stop.
Take all the movies off streaming because of Jeffrey Steinberg, whatever his name is. Epstein. Jeffrey Epstein.
Yeah. Like, it's so biased. Honestly, that's a nice sweater though. I'm
it's
actually very
so
jealous.
Nice.
This is the one thing I'm beat up about that Ashley owns. I would look pretty sexy.
Are you sitting on my Chanel?
No, I put it here.
Okay.
I have it safe for you. I got it all organized, Ashley.
Thank you.
Sorry, just close it.
Here is the second item. My girl, love it so much. This is the second of these that I've been sent. I got the flap in a medium. Comes with la ribbon. La ribbon. And then you have all the paperwork, authenticity card, and all those.
What is it?
Beautiful. This is the correct dust bag.
Is it like felt?
Like a, I don't know, it's hard to say.
Oh, it's a good material.
It is.
Feels
Like
good.
a neoprene felt hybrid.
It's cool.
We got
Oh,
the walk.
sexy.
Oh, feel how soft that is.
It's soft, I will admit.
Soft
That's
AF.
a sexy, like, what is it, like a half? What is this, like a bag? Or
it is it's called a wallet on chain.
Yeah, it's like a smaller bag.
Yeah.
Right?
But technically it's a wallet. When
Okay.
when I was out looking for this bag in 2012, it cost $1,800.
Whoa.
I was like, fuck to the no. We're not paying $1,800 for a Chanel wallet on chain. You know how much this costs today? $4,000
That's disgusting.
for a wallet from Chanel. Anyways, it opens like that. Correct font, correct zipper pull.
Oh my god, like that's actually so well made.
Look, I know, right? Like, look at that made in Italy's correct size placement. The chain is right.
Like, even is this even a UA at this point? Like, come on, like this quality's bang on.
This is so good that the number of stitches actually matches the number of the stitches that you would buy. Because like
On the quilt squares?
Yes. The quilt squares should be 8 to 11 stitches, I believe, anywhere in between. That's how you can tell authenticity.
Honestly, questioning myself to even go to the store and buy anything like this real. What's the point with this? Like, it's insane. It's
And the difference between this and the jumbo or the flap, this pocket actually goes all the way down to here.
what do you
So,
mean?
like this pocket, it could reach all the way down. So it goes
To the bottom?
to the bottom there.
Like this one does that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool. You can
Yeah.
put a lot of stuff in there.
I like how he's acting like he's interested.
Can.
Is this a zipper pouch on the back or just a little like kind of?
It's like a
Okay.
little thing like that. And then this would be
room.
an older model because it still has the, doesn't have the new chip. It has the, what do you call it? The hologram over there inside.
Like they with
Probably
Canada Goose,
see.
you mean? The hologram stickers?
Yeah.
Cool. I like the chip ideas too. It's pretty cool. I'm sure like
It is, yeah.
companies as they go on are probably gonna stick to something like that. But,
Yeah.
But I mean, anything older is gonna have like those.
But look
nice
how
holograms.
beautiful that is. It's so nice. I love it. It feels luxurious. And I'm just saying that when you get items that are just so well made and almost like it was handcrafted for you, I mean, why bother getting something from the boutique when you can just get it somewhere else?
Literally. There's like no complaints about that bag. It's
I love
nice.
it.
Wallet, sorry. Looks good.
It is.
The chain is even pretty
It is.
darn on. Like, I don't know.
And the thing with Chanel though, they just keep raising prices and the quality is going down. It's not.
Yeah, they're not enhancing anything.
They're not.
It's just going downhill.
So, I mean, I don't mind that. Anyway, that is the Chanel
that's
wallet
nice.
on chain in perfect quality condition.
That's insane.
Anyway, thank you so much, Tide Locker, for sending me these amazing pieces. And yeah, and thank you for joining me for this quick luxury unboxing.
Box is even cute for it. So nice.